Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 reportedly features better screen protection and a fast charging. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, as we are inching closer towards the Galaxy Unpacked event, more information about the Galaxy Z Fold 4 has been surfaced. The latest information shines some light on the screen protection and fast charging capability of the Galaxy Z Fold 4 alongside with the processor that is coming inside. According to the tipster Ahmed, who has fairly good track record about the leaks, he believes that the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be featuring a Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection on the front and on the rear. Basically, this new protection panel first appeared on the Galaxy S22 series, and it's going to be much more durable, and also it's going to be even more resistant to scratches. Honestly, this is going to be good news because last year Galaxy Fold 3 was coming with Gorilla Glass Victus, so having a new technology is going to be a welcome change. And the upcoming foldable phone also seems to feature fast charging despite using the same 25-watt mechanism. According to the leak, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 reportedly reached a 0 to 50% charge in just 30 minutes in comparison to the Z Fold 3, which charges up to 33% in half an hour. So basically this means that Samsung will be bringing some tweaks in terms of its software or hardware that will increase the charging speed of the device despite having similar battery capacity as the last year. And Samsung next generation foldable flagship has also been confirmed to feature a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, which is going to be the latest processor from Qualcomm, and I believe that this is going to be the best choice of the processor from Samsung because the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 was not good, it has some heating issues, and also the Fold 3 was coming with Snapdragon 888 processor, which means that this is going to be a 3 generation ahead processor, and it's going to be fairly much more improved than the last year. And it has been appeared to be faster because according to the leak it will be 15% faster in terms of CPU, 60% faster in GPU performance, and 68% faster in NPU performance. The phone also seems to feature a 120Hz OLED display with maximum brightness of 1000 nits. But that's hardly surprising because even the Galaxy Z Fold 3 features similar screen specification. Although there are some leaks and rumors which points that we might actually see a peak brightness of up to 1300 nits. And fingers are crossed right now, we have to wait and see up till the Unpacked event. And the Galaxy Z Fold 4 could also feature a 10 megapixel of a selfie camera, a 4 megapixel under display selfie camera, a 50 megapixel of the rear camera, 12 megapixel of ultra wide, and a 10 megapixel of telephoto camera with 3 times of optical zoom. It will be running on Android 12 based One UI 4.1.1 out of the box and get 4 years of Android OS update just like its all other devices. It features a 4400 mAh battery, an IPX8 rating, and S Pen support alongside with a fast wireless charging capability. And guys, the Unpacked event will be just a few days away, and I'm super excited about that as well. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about this new Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection and a new processor? Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.